you alright? Can you hear me? Do you remember your name? Aw, this isn't good. Can you try harder? I'm sure you can at least remember your name.
Nice to meet you. My name's Don Hung, and this is March 7th. This space station was just attacked by the Antimatter Legion.
Goons owned by the destruction. You're lucky the most dangerous Lord Ravager among them isn't around. We'll take those invaders out soon. Don't worry.
Back to the Master Control Zone.
Plus, that's where we parked the Astral Express.
You and March go back together. Our land from the security department lost contact in the vicinity.
Oh, alright. The Legion are rampaging through the... Just a suggestion, though. You're safe as... This place is full of fancy little gadgets. Herta's collection. I really don't get why she'd go out of her way to collect them and then leave them here to gather dust. It's the Antimatter Legion. So these My turn. You have the worst luck running into me. Stay right there while I give you a present.
Take this!
You can't run! Try that again! With me out here, how can we lose? You're stronger than you look. Seem to be quite the fighter. So we'll take that out. Memory loss. Never mind. Let's go. I'll take... have the worst luck running into me. With me out here, how can we lose?
Batter up!
You can't run! Stay right there while I give you a present!
Just a scratch.
Try that again! My turn! You can't run!
Batter up!
I knew it. But it wasn't me. The antimatter. Too bad, Don.
I don't know that one.
Whoa! Why are you here?
I took another route to the Arlan is in the control room.
You found him.
I suppose as the head of the...
Then let's go talk to him. Freeze! I told ya I could fight. Watch this! You're annoying!
Step aside. I have no interest in stoking conflict.
You have the worst luck running into me. Stay right there while I give you a present! You can't run! You're annoying! Try that again!
Clemency? Never heard of it.
My turn! You couldn't have done it without me.
This will strengthen our position.
Hey!
Yep, we're from the Astro...
Oh.
It's just a coincidence.
Why is the antimatter...
Lead Reader.
Don't be too hard on yourself.
Yeah, most of the staff have been evacuated safely. So right now our highest priority is to return to the Master Control Zone and plan a counterattack.
After the evacuation was complete, the elevators were all... Since Lady Asta sent you to look for me,
Oh, right. But where did I...
you...
Here it is.
Now that we found the key, we should get going. We can use that console over there to unlock the elevator.
Let's go.
Hold on. Because I mustn't give the Legion, so I'll have to trouble...
Huh?
My leg is...
You won't slow.
Agreed. Let us worry about...
Thank you.